Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of the Cowboy Song as seen in Joe Versus the Volcano, a Tom Hanks movie where Tom Hanks is playing the ukulele and singing this song. Now I saw this and was reminded of this thanks to my friend Rich Davis who posted a video about it, and I thought, oh, you know what, I should make a play-along of that, particularly because it's a very easy song to play. And oftentimes, I know as a music educator, we struggle to find songs that are easy enough for our students to play, and this is one of those that is easy enough to play. Now, what we'll do in this video, first of all, we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA, soprano, concert, tenor, ukulele in the key of F. Then we'll take a look at the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor, ukulele in the key of G. One other thing I should mention is that the original version of the song seems to be played in F sharp. My guess is that they tuned the ukulele up from F so that Tom Hanks would fit better in his voice for what he needed to do. But as you're watching Tom Hanks, he's certainly not using bar chords to play the song. So it really tells me that they probably just tuned up the ukulele. So I do think that for most players, the key of F on GCA ukulele is going to be best, although many of the songs that are out there, like the transcriptions or the chord charts that exist out there, are written in G. But the movie itself was originally written in F sharp. And then we'll also look at the chords you need to play the song on baritone DGBE ukulele. After we do that, we'll talk about strumming. Now, if you like the chords you see here, you can find the chord chart or the tabs on my blog. It's UkeStuff.info. Just look for the tabs or chord chart page there, and all the songs that I've added the charts for are there. Over time, we'll be adding more charts there along with tutorials for tutorials that weren't created for songs long ago when I started this channel, but nonetheless, they will be there eventually, and this song is already there as you're watching this particular video. Now, if you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always say thank you for making this content by buying me a cup of coffee at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele first in the key of F. And I'll be using this instrument. This is my Kamaka anniversary, 100th anniversary, long neck soprano ukulele. There are only two chords in the key of F. The first chord is the F chord, and then there's the C chord. That's it. Those are the two chords you need to play the Cowboy Song on soprano, concert, tenor ukulele in the key of F. Now let's take a look at the chords you need in the key of G. All right, to play the Cowboy Song in the key of G on soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, which is tuned GCEA, the first chord is the G chord. So you'll make that chord first, and then you'll make the D chord. Now, there are a number of ways you can play that D chord. I usually play it not like the book show, but I put my first finger at the top of the third string, second fret, and my other two fingers around it, sort of like a G7 chord. That allows me to make the change from G to D very easily and allows my hands to fit. Now, you can also play it 1, 2, 3 in a row. You can play it 2, 3, 4 in a row. You can play it with two fingers. You can play it with one finger. Just don't reach around with your thumb and play it that way. All right, and with the G chord and the D chord, that's all you need to play the Cowboy Song on soprano, concert, tenor ukulele in the key of G. Now let's take a look at the Cowboy Song played on baritone ukulele. All right, for baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is a Tom concert ukulele, and it's not a baritone. However, it has Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it that allows me to tune it like a baritone, DGBE, in linear tuning. So it's a lower sound, and that allows me to switch back and forth between concerts, which I normally play, and this instrument without having to adjust to different scale lengths. Although I play everything, this makes making videos much easier for me, having an instrument set up this way. All right, on baritone DGBE ukulele, the Cowboy Song only has two chords. The first is the G chord, and then the D chord. And those are all the chords you need to know to play the Cowboy Song on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Most of the time, there is not one single right answer for strumming. And in fact, if you hear something else other than this, go ahead and play it. The number one question on this channel is, what is a strumming pattern? And in reality, there's almost never one singular right answer. And since you're making the cover and playing along, play what you can, play what you want to play as long as it matches the style of music and it fits the beat. That's all that really matters. However, some people get caught up a little more than that. So here's what I hear Tom Hanks doing in the movie. He's going down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And there's also some stops in there and so forth. But nonetheless, it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so with that strumming pattern and the chords for whichever key you're playing in, along with the correct video, that's all you need to do to be successful on the Cowboy Song as it appears in Joe versus the Volcano as performed by Tom Hanks. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.